Nature is the best teacher. Learn from its beauty. Nature reflects the beauty and power of the universe. Nature's beauty is God's symphony. Explore nature. Discover endless beauty. Nature is the source of strength and refreshment. Nature's beauty inspires, making life more beautiful. Nature is God's poetry, written in beauty. Nature's beauty is an endless melody. Nature is an open book for everyone. Nature's beauty is the source of happiness. Nature is humanity's best teacher. Nature, infinite beauty. Explore, discover, enjoy. Nature's canvas paints infinite beauty. Nature's beauty heals the heart. Nature's harmony calms the mind. Nature is God's. Nature's beauty enriches life. Nature teaches wisdom.